And now I don't know.
Open the card.
A card first, Daddy.
I love the card.
Yeah, she's not very good when it comes to envelopes.
That's okay.
Oh, it's got a fire truck on there. Let's see, it says, it's your birthday, get ready. Oh, push here. Oh, happy first birthday, Matt. Flash the lights and blow the horns. This fire truck must get through it. Bringing birthday wishes to a boy with special you. Did I miss it? Light up. Did I miss it? No, okay. We hear those all the time, don't we?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And it sounds just like that. Oh, cool.
Yeah, you know what?
That's really neat.
I discovered that it has the wrong street name, and that's why I could never find the
Okay, Daddy, you should do it.
on my GPS.
Oh.
Could you do it?
I had
The boat.
This is for,
Riverstone Parkway.
I had Riverside Parkway.
Oh, well, that's like in Atlanta. Riverside, well, the Riverside Parkway.
It founded in California, and it founded a lot of places, but
Yes,
it's
I know.
not in Georgia.
Yeah, that'd be a long trip.
Oh, no, it's Riverside Drive. Here.
So I finally, when I Googled, I remember the hospital was close by, so I Googled the hospital. And then I asked for the road.
Oh, there's another one. Oh. Yay!
Oh.
Two fish, red fish, blue fish.
One of my favorites
Up
of all time.
until about a month ago, he had a nice, like a jammy that was one fish, red fish, blue fish. It was my favorite.
I'm standing in the store and I'm reading Captain Hat.
Yeah.
It's for his age, and I think it's really probably 2 months old.
But you know what? He can work with her.
Yeah.
You know, it's something they can do together. That's good, though. Look at there. Got numbers. See, he's going to need your help with this. Are you going to be able to help him? It's 1 to 3.
Yeah.
But, I mean, she can sit there and we can talk about color. That's what we did with her. We got her stuff. Yeah. We got her stuff that